Unlock your YouTube potential with a single click by installing the Vidiq extension. First, open a new tab in your Chrome browser and navigate to the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by typing Chrome Web Store into the search bar and selecting the official link, or by directly visiting the URL if you have it bookmarked. Once the Chrome Web Store loads, locate the search bar at the top of the page type in Vidiq, and press enter. This will bring up a list of relevant extensions. Find the Vidiq extension in the search results. It should be clearly labeled. Look for the prominent blue Add to Chrome button on the extensions listing page. A small pop-up window will appear, asking for your permission to add Vidiq to Chrome. This is where Vidiq requests certain permissions to function correctly. Review these permissions, and then click the Add Extension button to proceed. You'll see a brief confirmation message, and the Vidiq icon will appear in your Chrome browser's toolbar. Usually in the top right corner, this confirms the extension has been successfully installed. Now, when you visit any YouTube video page, Vidiq will automatically load its powerful analytics sidebar. You'll gain access to valuable insights like daily views, subscriber trends, keyword research tools, and competitor analysis, all designed to help you optimize your content and grow your channel. Congratulations! You've just supercharged your YouTube strategy. Start exploring Vidiq's features and watch your channel reach new heights.